In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a Google Workspace invite. Whether you're an admin looking to ensure new team members get started without a hitch, or you simply need to remind someone to complete their setup, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process. First things first, we'll start by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. This is your starting point and gateway to accessing the myriad of tools Google has on offer for your business or organization. Once you're there, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. This step is crucial as it identifies you as the administrator with the rights to manage users within your workspace. Select the account associated with your Google Workspace admin role. After selecting your account, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure to enter it correctly to proceed. Security is key, so Google ensures that every step verifies that you are indeed the authorized user. Following the successful entry of your password, click on Next. This takes you deeper into the admin settings, bringing you one step closer to managing your team's accounts. Upon gaining access to your dashboard, look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon is also known as the Google Apps or Services icon. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu of all the Google apps and services available to you. However, our target for today lies elsewhere. Now let's focus on getting to the admin console. You can either navigate directly to it by typing its URL into your browser, or find it within the drop-down menu you just opened. The admin console is where all the magic happens. It's the control room for managing all things Google Workspace. Upon entering the admin console, we'll head over to the Directory section. This section contains all the information regarding the users within your workspace, a crucial area for today's task. Next up, click on Users. This opens up the list of individuals who are part of your organization's Google Workspace. From here, you can manage each user's access, roles, and more. Now find the employee or team member whose invite you wish to resend. Click on their profile to open the management options specifically for their account. This step brings you closer to ensuring they're properly onboarded. Within the user's profile, look for the Reset Password option. Clicking on this will allow you to set a new password for the user, a necessary step before resending the invite. Remember, security first. Choose Automatically Generate a Password. This option ensures a strong random password is created, meeting Google's security standards. It's also one less password for you to worry about creating. After clicking Reset, the new password is set. But we're not done yet. You'll then click on Email Password, which allows you to send the newly generated password directly to the user. In the prompt that appears, type in the user's email. This should be the email where you initially sent the invite or an alternative contact email they have access to. Finally, click on Send. This will dispatch an email to the user with their new password and a prompt to complete the setup of their Google Workspace account. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to resend a Google Workspace invite. Simple, right? This process ensures your team members have the necessary access to start contributing to your organization's success. Whether someone missed their invite email or you need to kickstart someone's account setup again, these steps will have you covered. Remember, management tasks such as these are essential for maintaining a secure and efficient workspace. Regularly check in on your team's account status and take proactive steps to solve any access issues. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're an experienced admin or new to Google Workspace, knowing how to manage user invites is a valuable skill. Keep exploring, and you'll become the Google Workspace wizard your team depends on. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials like this one.